chilly out here, a little breathy. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I know in my last video I said I was chilling for the rest of the year. I'm here in New York, just exploring. Enjoy the night with me.
How people know we're from Philly.
Why? Because we walking in the street. Hey y'all, good morning. So it's the next day. The temperature dropped significantly overnight. I don't like the cold. It hurts. How you doing, ma'am? Hi. Yeah. And everything opens up at 10 o'clock. It's almost 10. But it's cold. It hurts. I hate it. If I win the lottery, I'm moving to somewhere nice and warm.
She doesn't like the cold guys. She doesn't like the cold guys. She doesn't like them.
I'm sure you guys can tell. I don't like it.
Muy frío.
Yes, buenos tardes. Salsa.
Buenos días.
Yes, the goal is to get something to warm us up and we going inside this spot, so let's get it. Look, I'm about to walk into the warmth and my attitude's changing already. There we go. There we go. Wow.
Oh, wow. Correct. Hey, how did you know? Oh, intense? Yeah, I am intense. How did you know? Whoop.
Hey y'all, it is New Year's Eve and I am about to make my way to church. Super excited about it. I'm looking forward to bringing in the new year in great spirits and just in a great place. And I feel like I'm being very intentional with what I'm doing, who I'm surrounding myself with. I hope that you have a great evening. I'll catch up with you guys after I leave church because I may go past my brother's, I may not. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all don't know. I've been talking about it and like leading up to this moment. Like, although it's not 12 o'clock yet, my heart is so full. I'm so excited and I just feel like I'm about to be showered with so much love and so many blessings, and I know that there will still be challenges that come my way. I know that there are going to be things that happen and I'm not oblivious to, you know, life in the space that I'm currently in, and just the feeling that I have. I don't feel like this for no reason, and I've also never really felt like this before. So to have this feeling of like there is something that is, it's almost like a fire, like there's a match that is, you know, trying to spark itself and or trying to light itself, and I feel like that once it's lit, it's about to be an explosion. That's just how I feel. That's truly just how I feel. Enough talking. I'm gonna make my way to church. So it is a few days later. First and foremost, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Of course, when you last saw me, I was with family. I was having a really good time. I'm currently out. I had to run some errands and I'm just going to enjoy my day. I feel like a big part of where I'm at within this season of my life is slowing down, being present, and just enjoying the moment. I am about to run to AT&T. I recently got a new phone. I got the old one here and I have the new one. I really got to get a case and a screen protector for this bad boy because I feel like I'm about to break it. With coming into the new year, I said, new phone. I am going to go to one of my faves, Vault and Vine, the cafe, and just chill there, do some work, write a little bit, read a little bit. Let me show you. So my grandmother got me this book, which she also got my sister. The sisters stay dropping gems. I started reading this and so far I'm enjoying it. Me and my sister were reading it together, and you know, we're gonna touch base, but my goal is to read a book each month. And that for me, I'm up for the challenge because I'm not an avid reader. Of course, I do read my Bible. I have a tendency of starting starting books but not finishing them. But that'll be my goal for this year. Hydrate, that's also a goal for this year. So many things I'm working on. Side note, I got my nails done yesterday. I got pink. Y'all know I'm typically like just the French. I love the French. I haven't had like pink in so long, and for me it's like, ooh, this is different. But yeah, I love my French, and I know me, and I know that I'm a creature of habit, so gotta stick with my French. But I'm gonna swing past this one spot. It's a dessert spot. It's a dessert spot. Words aren't wording. I'll have them, of course, linked down below. I want to try them out, and then I had called my mom. I'm like, hey mom, you want some? She's like, yeah. So I'm gonna grab her some, and then I'm gonna make my way to pick up a grocery order. Once I drop that stuff off, I'm gonna make my way to the gym. I made it to Vault and Vine. I have a peppermint mocha, which is delicious. And you know what? I haven't even had my phone for 24 hours. And what happens? I'm gonna show you what happens. Drop my damn phone. I done dropped it. Ain't even been 24 hours. That's my life. I'm about to read a little bit, edit a little bit, do some writing. I have my 2026 planner. A really good time just spending time with myself here at Vault and Vine. It's always a vibe. It's just good energy, and I love the greenery. Now I'm about to go and grab a little sweet treat before I pick up my groceries and hit the gym. This will be my first time going to this place. I'm pretty sure the name is called Banana Nana. It's located in Jenkintown, and yeah, I'll have them linked down below. But let's go get some banana pudding, because it looks really good and I want some bad. So come on. I'm not going to eat it here, but I'm super excited to try it because I've seen really good reviews. It looks really delicious, so I'm super excited. Hey y'all, so it is a lot later. I'm not even gonna lie and say it was a little bit later. It's a lot later. When you last saw me, I was picking up some banana pudding from Banana Nana, y'all. I haven't even tried this yet, but I'm gonna just tell you right now, based off of the customer service, I will definitely be going back. I'll have her linked down below. It's a Black-owned business, so I need y'all to run, do not walk, to Banana Nana. Also, look at this. I feel like the video I took earlier didn't do it justice, so I'm not having it tonight, sadly. I really want to, but I'm gonna have it tomorrow, and I know it's gonna be so good, and I know she's gonna see me again because I feel like I'm about to be a customer for life. My mom's looks so good. When I walked in, she immediately greeted me. There were other people that were there. Y'all, a few weeks ago, I had actually went to a spot because I have a list of places that I want to go check out, and I walked in and it was two people that were at the register. They saw me, but then proceeded to look elsewhere, never greeted me, and I was just standing there for a moment just looking at the menu, but something was just like, if you can't even acknowledge my presence, why would I be spending my money here? And it was sad because it was a place I actually really wanted to try. But No, I will get up and leave. And that's something that my mom always taught me. If you go into somebody's establishment and they can't greet you, take your money elsewhere. And I did. I just had just a great experience, and I know I'll definitely be going back, but I'm so looking forward to having this tomorrow. So guys, if you're in the Philly area or surrounding area, this is in Montgomery County. It is right there in Jenkintown, so not far at all. Go, please. Check them out. I know this is going to be so good, and I cannot wait to go back and get more. I'm trying to unbig my back, but I'll be a big bag for this. I will. I have not eaten all day, and I didn't mean to do that. I didn't. I had coffee this morning, and then I had that peppermint mocha when I was at Vault and Vine, which delish. About to have me a little Dr. Pepper. I love me some Dr. Pepper. Let's get into it. And then of course I got my water, which we're working on our water intake. I am going to cook dinner. I already know what I'm gonna have. Last night I had like this yummy, delicious bowl where it was almost like a Greek salad, but I also had like some rice in there. It was really, really good. It's delish. Quick life update, okay? So I finished watching Stranger Things. I was weeping. I started watching Snowfall, and I'm actually a little hooked. I am, again, trying to unbig my back. So with that being said, I actually started intermittent fasting on the 1st, just because your girl got to lose some weight. Today is the 3rd, and it has been easy. And I'm not going to lie, I'm just allowing God to order my steps, and I'm telling you, when you give it to God, really bad, girl, I ain't trying to lose y'all. When you give it to God, it becomes so much easier. Probably gonna wrap up this video here. I will catch up with you guys in the next one, which will be starting tomorrow. We're gonna do some meal prep. We're gonna get ready for the week. I'm excited to meal prep because I did get some salmon. I have my brown rice and quinoa. I have some spinach I have to cook up. I'm also making some barbecue baked chicken. I have some string beans. I'm also gonna make me some cornbread. I love cornbread, and I don't eat it often, but when I do, I tear it up. So I'm looking forward to that. So, and I'll have dessert for tomorrow. So that is going to wrap up this video. I love you guys. I hope that your year is off to a great start. I hope that you're feeling motivated. I hope that you feel it within your spirit that this year will be different, that your life is going to be different, that you are going to take control. Enjoy the time that you have here because it is temporary. We're all on borrowed time. So I hope that you are living your life to the fullest. And if you're not, start. There's nothing that's holding you back except you. I love you. I hope that you guys are in a great space. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, hit that notification button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.